There is one question about the saber-toothed cat that has fascinated scientists for decades. Not why it went extinct, not even how it hunted. The real mystery is much stranger. Why did evolution build it only once? After all, evolution has produced countless species of cats: lions, tigers, leopards, jaguars. Each one evolved to become an efficient predator in its own environment. So why did only one cat ever develop canine teeth nearly 8 inches long? At first, the answer seems obvious. Maybe those enormous teeth made Smilodon the perfect hunter. But if that were true, why didn't evolution keep making more of them? Instead, every big cat alive today has relatively short, sturdy canine teeth. If the saber-toothed design was truly superior, shouldn't lions and tigers have evolved the same weapon? That question puzzled scientists for generations, because the more they studied Smilodon, the stranger it became. Its jaws couldn't open with the crushing force of a lion's. Its teeth looked surprisingly fragile, and yet for more than 2 million years, this extraordinary predator dominated its world. So what did evolution know that we didn't? To answer that question, scientists first had to understand what those enormous teeth were actually designed to do. At first glance, the answer seems obvious. Longer teeth should make a predator more dangerous, but the fossil evidence tells a very different story. Unlike the sturdy canine teeth of modern lions, Smilodon's famous sabers were long, flattened from side to side, and surprisingly vulnerable to sideways stress. Biomechanical studies suggest that a poorly aimed bite or striking solid bone at the wrong angle could have damaged or even broken them. That creates an even bigger mystery. Why would evolution equip one of its most successful predators with weapons that seem so fragile? The answer wasn't hidden in the teeth, it was hidden in the rest of the animal. Smilodon had extraordinarily powerful forelimbs, far more robust than those of any living big cat. Its neck was equally impressive, with massive muscle attachments capable of driving the head downward during an attack. Suddenly, researchers realized they had been asking the wrong question. The teeth weren't designed to do all the work. They were just one part of a carefully evolved hunting system. Scientists now believe Smilodon hunted very differently from the big cats we know today. A modern lion often relies on speed. It chases its prey, leaps onto its back, and uses its powerful jaws to suffocate it. But Smilodon wasn't built for that kind of pursuit. Its shorter, heavily built limbs suggest it was an ambush predator rather than a long-distance runner. Researchers believe it likely closed the distance quickly, using its exceptionally powerful forelimbs to pin struggling prey before delivering a precise bite with its saber-like canines. Because those extraordinary teeth weren't designed to crush bone or withstand violent twisting. Instead, evidence suggests they were specialized for deep, carefully placed wounds to the soft tissues of the neck, where they could avoid heavy bone altogether. Suddenly, everything begins to make sense. The powerful arms, the muscular neck, the long, fragile teeth, each solved a different problem. Together, they created one of the most specialized predators evolution has ever produced. So why did evolution never build another saber-toothed cat? The answer isn't because Smilodon failed. In fact, the opposite appears to be true. The fossil record shows that saber-toothed cats survived for more than 2 million years, making them one of the most successful predators of the Ice Age. Their remarkable anatomy worked extraordinarily well, but only in the world they had evolved for. Then that world began to change. As the Ice Age came to an end, climates shifted, ecosystems transformed, and many of the large herbivores that Smilodon hunted declined or disappeared. Scientists believe these environmental changes, combined with the loss of suitable prey and increasing competition from other predators, left such a highly specialized hunter at a disadvantage. And that's the real lesson hidden in the fossils. Evolution doesn't create the perfect predator. It creates the predator that is perfectly adapted to a particular moment in time. Smilodon wasn't replaced because a better big cat came along. It disappeared because the world that had made it so successful disappeared first. Perhaps that's why evolution never built another saber-toothed cat. It never needed to.